How to fix Messenger logging out automatically. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and open the settings application and make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection. So in settings, tap on Wi-Fi and make sure that your Wi-Fi is working properly, and if not, then you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or you can also simply go back and then go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for airplane mode for a few seconds and then toggle it off, as doing this will refresh your network connection. See if that helps, and if not, then you can simply try to restart your iPhone, as a simple restart helps in fixing majority of minor glitches on your iPhone. And just in case, if your issue is not fixed yet, then launch the settings application again and then tap on general. Here tap on iPhone storage and further go ahead and tap on the Messenger application here. And once you have opened Messenger, tap on the offload app option and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application and keep its documents and data safe. And if your issue is not fixed yet, then open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Messenger and make sure that the Messenger application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then update the Messenger application, as sometimes an outdated version of the app also causes the bug. And if your issue is not fixed yet, then the next fix is go ahead and on your home screen tap hold on the Messenger application and then tap on remove app and then tap on delete app. Now tap on delete again and then open App Store and search for Messenger and reinstall the Messenger application on your device again, and by now your issue should have been fixed. If not, then swipe down from the top right and you will be led to your control center. Here, make sure that you are not connected to any kind of VPN services, as VPN servers might block your Messenger login. And if your issue is not fixed yet, then open Messenger on your device and then tap on your profile icon on the bottom right, which is the menu option. Here, tap on Settings and then tap on Accounts Center and further tap on Password and Security. Here, you will see the option for where you are logged in, so tap on that particular option, and in this particular interface, go ahead and navigate any suspicious device log in and further log yourself out of that suspicious login, and by now your issue should have been fixed. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix Messenger logging out automatically. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.